Are you looking for the best circular saw in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best circular saw under $100 that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At the first position of our list we have the Makita HS7600 Circular Saw. Makita is considered to be the highest quality brand in providing high-quality power tools. At the beginning of our list of best circular saw under $100, we have placed a model of this great brand. Our selected model comes with a 10.5 amp motor that is tailored to your needs. But if you want a higher power motor, then you have to look at other models. It provides 5,200 RPM for performance. Its most notable feature is its large cutting capacity. It allows you to cut 2 to half an inch at 90, and 1 to 5/8 of an inch at 45. Its blade size is 7 to 6 inches, which is equivalent to other great corded models. It is able to give you fast and clean cutting experience. Its weight is very light and well balanced, which means you can work with it very easily. It also has a heavy gauge aluminum base, which has given this tool improved durability. Its other features make it easier to use. At an affordable price, it is a great product that is able to give you great service. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the Skil 5280-01-15 amp 7-1/4 inch circular saw. Skil has been providing high quality and affordable power tools to its customers for many years. This is no exception when it comes to providing circular saws. One of its great features is the laser beam guide, which will help you in proper cutting. It comes with a 15 amp motor and 5,300 RPM speed. It comes with an integrated dust blower that helps you do your job better. You will be able to create a variety of angles and miter cuts with 45-degree positive stop and 51-degree bevel power. It comes with a 7-1/4 inch carbide blade, which will give you a good cutting experience. If there is a question about its performance, then it can be said that it is a very good model. You never have to worry about its blade or other parts. Although small in size, it is able to compete with other models in the market. It is extremely easy to use and comfortable. Due to its lightweight and durability, you can use it for a long time without any hassle. The number 3rd position we have the PORTERCABLE 7-1/4 inch circular saw. Although the price of this model is comparatively higher than the models mentioned earlier, it is also quite a useful tool that is able to give you great service in terms of cutting. It comes with a 15 amp motor and 5,500 RPM capacity. Its 7-1/4 inch 18-tooth carbide tipped blade helps you cut anything smoothly. This is a highly durable model. This saw comes with a steel shoe, and it provides durability to the metal upper and lower guards. It has some great features like 45-degree maximum bell that gives you ease of use. Also, a notable feature of it is that it has come up with almost common things that a professional woodworker needs. It is a powerful enough tool and can serve you for a long time. Next at number 4 we have the BLACKDECKER 7-1/4 inch circular saw. If you are looking for a circular saw that is affordable and powerful, then this model chosen by us may be an ideal option for you. Its 13 amp motor and 5,300 RPM speed play a very effective role in dealing with a wide range of tasks. It has a laser guide to give you advanced cutting experience. Also, its spindle lock allows you to easily change the blade. This tool is very effective for cutting anything accurately. The cutting depth of this saw is 1.89 inches at 45-degree angle and 2.5 inches at 90 degrees. It comes with a 7-1/4 inches saw blade and a hex key that help you work clean and fast during cutting. Its inbuilt laser is not very visible in daylight. This circular saw is an excellent option for those users who have less experience in wood cutting, as its laser guide helps them to cut anything well. Its lightweight and affordable price make it a great option for beginners to use. And finally, at number 5th position we have the CRAFTSMAN 7-1/4 inch circular saw. We've reached the very last stage of our best circular saw under $100, and at this stage we have come up with a featured model of the CRAFTSMAN brand. It comes with 15 amp motor and 5,500 RPM speed. It is a powerful enough tool for you to complete your daily cutting tasks well. Its spindle lock supports you to change the blade efficiently. The magnesium shoes give improved durability as well as lighten the overall weight of the tool. The depth of this saw is 1.875 inches at 45 degrees and 2.5 inches at 90 degrees. A great feature of this saw is its raft hook, which saves the tool when not in use. It includes a 7-1/4 carbide tip blade and a hex wrench. This is a great option to make your cutting experience great, which you can choose without hesitation. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.